Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Technically Something, the show where we talk about technology, creativity, tutorials, and gaming. As always, I'm your host, Kevin Allen, and in this episode, I am following up on something, seriously late. I had a comment from Nico Estefan. How long ago was that? I mean, I have access, I have a way to look at this. 3 months ago. Nico, if you're still watching, I do apologize for taking so long to make this video, but you know, 2020. Anyway, the whole point of this video is that when I did my drawing Mega Man time-lapse digital drawing thing, Nico really liked the video and he left a comment asking if I could do the same thing for Zero from Mega Man X, and also Sigma. However, I'm starting with Zero. So this video will be a time-lapse digital drawing in Photoshop of Zero. And I'm eventually, I think for the next one, I will be making another video of how to draw Sigma. When you leave a comment asking if I can do something else and that you enjoyed the video, I mean, that powers me up so much. So again, Nico, thank you so much. And I hope that you enjoy this video. I do have a long-term surprise in terms of what I plan to do with all of these. But I do think I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna try to draw every single master and character from Mega Man X, and we'll see what happens after that. Anyway, enough talk. Here's the video. Nico, again, I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you guys at the end of the video. Well, hello there. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. And if you're new to the channel and you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. It costs $0 and 0 cents. And remember, if you want to see something that I haven't covered yet, leave a comment down below. I will check it out and I will see what I can do for you. In the meantime, as always, I hope you all stay safe, stay creative, have fun, be happy, be all the good things. I'm Kevin Allen, and this was Technically Something. See you guys later.